Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can generate SAS key, which is our shared access signature key for our storage account in Azure portal. So let's move to Azure portal. As you can see, we are in Azure portal. Here in Azure services, click on storage accounts. Here we have one storage account with the name of my test storage 009224. Click on it. Now here in data storage, click on containers. Here we have one container with the name of my test container. Click on it. Here in settings you can see shared access tokens. Click on it. Here we can generate our SAS key for this container. In signing method, choose account key. Signing key would be our key 1, and in permissions we can choose multiple permissions or any single permission. So I am going with read permission. In start date and time, we can set our date and time for our this SAS key, and in expiry we can also mention the date and time for our expiration of this key. If you want to allow this SAS key on a specific IP address or range of IP addresses, we can mention here. In allowed protocols, HTTPS is good because this is more secure. Then click on generate SAS token and URL. Here you can see now we have SAS token and SAS URL for our container. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.